This is a standard American 240 volt electrical outlet, and this is a wall wart. It has other names, but I can't think of any of them right now. So you see here it says 120 volts AC. It puts out 12 volts AC, and it won't plug into this outlet. You can see when it's plugged into 120 volts, it puts out about 14.5 volts with no load. Now all I have to do to plug this into a 240 volt outlet is twist this pin like that. Now it'll plug in. I wonder what voltage it'll put out now. Got our meter hooked up to the secondary side. So now I'm going to plug this into a 240 volt outlet and see what happens. 24 volts. And it's emitting a bit of a buzzing sound. So I guess you can just plug these things into 240 volts and it's no big deal. Yeah. That's kind of disappointing. That's it. Wow. That was boring. This thing's not even hot. Turns out wall warts are pretty tough.